Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and I have the skincare product of the season. I've been absolutely obsessed and I saw results in as little as only 4 weeks. I'm really enjoying better skin, and it's all thanks to this incredible product from VRAIKO. You guys know that I love them. I've been using a lot of their different devices for everything from hair removal to skin tightening, and this is my new favorite. It's a go-to. It's so convenient to use. It's super cute. Like, this is the iris edition. It's kind of inspired by irises or whales. It's very natural, but it's also super convenient and easy to use. One of the things that I love most about this is that it does come with this little stand, and it's very small. So it's easy to set on absolutely any bathroom countertop or surface. Even if you have a smaller, like, single sink, this is about the size of a soap dispenser. So it's very easy to keep out absolutely anywhere, and it looks really cute. So the more convenient something is, obviously, the more you'll actually use it, and the more you use it, the better results you'll get. So I always find that really important whenever I'm recommending a new product to a friend, and this fits the bill in all of those. So this does a lot of different things. You might be like, what is this? Okay, so this is something that you can use on your face as well as your jawline and your neck. That is my favorite part. Like, look at this shape. This is absolutely perfect for going along all of the curves and contours of your face. So this can be charged up in a couple different ways, which I enjoy too. So the stand, you can use that to charge, or you can just charge on the device itself. I love the shape of the device, not only because it hits the contours of your face perfectly, but also this design fits perfectly in the palm of your hand, where it just feels really nice and natural as you are using. So what does it do? It actually does a lot of different things. It uses light therapy. It has 3 different color lights. You've got red light, blue light, and green light, and they can all improve your skin in different ways. So it can do everything from helping you with the bacteria on your skin that might cause acne and breakouts. It can help plump up your skin, so you kind of fill in some of those fine lines and wrinkles, and just give your skin a little more brightness, a little more of a lift. And of course, it can also calm things. If you've got some redness or some sunspots, things like that, it can help as well. So this is really great. It's also recommended to use with your favorite serums and your favorite skincare products, and it can help you absorb all of those even better. So all of those products that you love and that you probably are spending a lot of money on, you can now get even more benefit out of those products by using a device like this, which is just a win-win, right? So how does it work? You turn it on with this little button right here. You'll long press. When you long press, you'll have like a kind of faint little red lights right here to show you the indicator lights. One press through and you can change the light colors. So you'll go from red to blue to green. So you can go through each spectrum and kind of choose which is what you need for that day for your specific skin concerns. Or what I like to do is do about 3 minutes in each color range, so I just get the full spectrum of all of the benefits. It has a light vibration, and you might notice, I'm going to show you guys on screen, kind of cycling through the colors and the modes. You might say like, oh, I don't see a vibration, like what's up with that? That's because this has a skin detection. So it's not going to vibrate when it's not in contact with your skin. But when it is in contact with your skin, you'll have some vibration. You'll also notice that this heats up, and this is good for your circulation. And it's also just a really nice, calming, relaxing vibe. My grandmother always told me growing up that you should wash your face at night with warm water because it helps you relax and get ready for bed so you'll have a better night's sleep. And I think that this is really in the spirit of that. Is something that I like to use at night before bed because it's so relaxing and it really gets me ready to sleep, and just is a very calming device with that heat. It also has EMS therapy. And so this is going to, some people like it, some people don't. It's not painful, but it's kind of just a little on your skin that can help improve your results even more dramatically. But don't worry, if you don't love that, or you only want to do it for a little while, then you can just double tap this and you can turn that EMS on and off. although I highly suggest using it because I really do think it helps. In only a few weeks, I really started noticing that I felt like everything was almost like just filled in, you know, like around my eyes. These marionette lines that have always been a problem for me were a lot softer, and my neck has never looked better. And I think that's super important because honestly, there's a lot of things, you know, in today's age where we can do to our faces with, you know, all sorts of different things. But your neck, there's not a lot that you can do, and that can definitely give your age away. But with using something like this that really has those contours to perfectly take care of all your skin, not just your face, but your neck as well, you are going to absolutely love this. It's going to be totally worth it. And if you're thinking about this for a Christmas gift, this company always gives the best gift boxes. They are so super cute, and I encourage you guys to stick around for the unboxing. That way you can see absolutely everything, and you can see what I'm talking about when it comes in a really, really awesome gift box that's going to be very, very impressive for the holidays. I absolutely love this one. I know you guys are gonna love it as well. Stick around, and then as always, get to shopping. Okay, shoppers, as promised, the gorgeous unboxing of this incredible device. So this is an amazing brand that I really, really love. I've tried out a lot of their products, and one thing that is always true is it comes in a beautiful gift-worthy box. And as you can tell, it's got all of the kind of imagery on here that's gonna tell you a little bit about this product, that it is both iris and whale inspired, and you're gonna be able to see this. This is from the Iris collection. It's for your neck and face, a beauty massager that's actually beautiful. So check out this unbox. So you've got your instruction manual right here. It's going to tell you everything that you need to know. All of these materials are always written in really easy to read, plain English. So you're going to be able to know all of your how to use it properly so you get the best results, how to do it safely, all that kind of good stuff. We're also going to see the device itself in here, and I'm so excited about this pop of color. Oh my goodness. Let's see what this is. I love it. I want to point out how shiny this is, and it's just that almost like retro baby pink, millennial pink, if you will, that is so pretty, and you can definitely tell very iris, very whale inspired. I really, really love that. So this down here is one way that you can charge, as well as using the charging base as well. We're going to check that out. We've got your button right here, and it really only has one button, so you can switch between your different settings, and you're going to have those power indicator lights right there. This is the actual head of the device, and it's got a little plastic on there just to make sure we're keeping everything nice and safe, clean, scratch-free. Look how nice that is. Very, very, very beautiful. This is super lightweight, and it does fit right in the palm of my hand perfectly, so you're not gonna have any like wrist fatigue or hand fatigue while you're using this. It just feels really natural while looking oh so beautiful. Very, very exciting. And again, gorgeous, gorgeous gift box that it's gonna be something that anyone would be really, really excited to receive for the holidays coming up. So this is going to be your charging base, where not only can this set out as a display and keep this in its upright position, so that way, you know, you're not getting anything dirty, but it's also a way to charge as well. You can charge back there. So you've got those two options, and this does have those like non-slip feet and all that good stuff. So it's gonna protect your countertops and also keep this from being knocked over, which I always love. So we also have accessories right in here, and we'll check out this little accessory box. I always love that when products come just so packaged really nicely, and you've got, you know, your accessories in their special little compartment. It makes it feel like the tech product that this actually is. It's skincare, but it's also a nice tech product. You got your charger right there, super, super convenient, you know, USB, we've got those everywhere. So you can plug this in absolutely anywhere. And then you're also gonna get a little gift right here. Nice little cleaning cloth to where you can keep everything very, very taken care of. Absolutely beautiful gift. This is a gorgeous gift box, gorgeous gift set. I absolutely love this. It's so small enough to fit on even the smallest bathroom countertops, which I love. If you keep this out, you're probably going to use it more often, and so then you get even more results, and that is always really, really incredible. Perfect gift idea. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this. I know you guys are going to love it as well. Go ahead and get to shopping.